In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scroll blocks in Squarespace. If you're ready to add a dynamic scrolling feature to your Squarespace site, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the details, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. This is important because you won't have access to editing features otherwise. Once you're logged in, head over to your homepage. This is where we'll start our journey. Now, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile icon. A click here will take you to a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the website you want to enhance with the scrolling block feature. Once your website is open, click on the Edit button, setting the stage for customization. Next, you'll want to add a block to your page. Click on the option that says Add Block. This step opens up a range of options for you to choose from. Among these options, find and select the scrolling block. This special feature lets you incorporate moving content onto your site, and it's perfect for catching your visitors' attention. Now that you have the scrolling block in place, let's make it more engaging by adding content. In the Content tab, you'll find an opportunity to inject some flavor, whether through text, emojis, or both. Simply double-click the scrolling block, and you'll be able to start entering your preferred content. If you wish to direct your visitors to another page, you can add links to the scrolling block, turning it into an interactive gateway. Switching our focus to the Design tab, you have several customization options. You can adjust the wave intensity of the scroll, giving it a gentle flow or a more dynamic movement, depending on your creative vision. Text style and size come next. You can play with different fonts and dimensions until they align with your site's aesthetic. The scrolling direction can also be modified to suit your preference, as can the speed of the scroll, allowing you full control over timing and pacing. Another neat feature is the Pause on Hover function, an interactive twist where the scroll stops as soon as a visitor hovers over it. Don't forget the Fade Edges option, adding a subtle visual effect to enhance the overall look. Need more customization? Adjust item spacing, select a suitable background, and even add a stroke. You have the power to select the stroke color and fine-tune its thickness, sharpening the visual impact. Once you've poured all your creative juices into the scrolling block and you're happy with how it looks, it's time to lock it in. With all these adjustments complete, make sure to click Save. It's that simple. You've now successfully added a scrolling block to your Squarespace site, bringing a whole new level of dynamism and interaction to your digital space. Enjoy the results, and feel free to experiment with different settings until you nail the perfect combination for your site's design.